Welcome back to the channel where we break down powerful machines in a simple, honest way, and today we're diving deep into a brand new heavy-duty agricultural tractor built for serious farming and large-scale operations. If you work long hours in the field and demand strength, reliability, and modern technology, this tractor is designed exactly for that kind of life. At first glance, the exterior tells you everything you need to know. This machine looks tough, confident, and ready for hard labor. The body is built with reinforced steel panels, a wide and muscular stance, and a high ground clearance that allows it to move smoothly across uneven farmland. The front grille is bold and functional, designed to maximize airflow and keep the engine cool even during long working hours under extreme heat. Heavy-duty LED work lights are positioned all around the tractor, giving excellent visibility during early mornings or late-night harvesting sessions. The large, deep tread tires are made for maximum traction, whether you're plowing wet soil, pulling heavy implements, or working on rough terrain. Everything on the outside feels purposeful, from the solid metal steps to the protected hydraulic lines, showing that durability was the top priority. When it comes to performance, this heavy-duty agricultural tractor truly shines. Under the hood, you're looking at a powerful diesel engine designed to deliver massive torque at low RPMs. This is exactly what farmers need for pulling large plows, seeders, and trailers without stressing the engine. The advanced transmission system offers multiple forward and reverse gears, allowing smooth power delivery and precise control in different field conditions. Whether you're doing heavy tillage or lighter transport work, the tractor adapts easily. The hydraulic system is another strong point, offering high lifting capacity and fast response times, which makes operating large attachments efficient and time-saving. Even during long working days, the engine remains stable and fuel-efficient, helping reduce operating costs while maintaining strong output. Stability and handling are equally impressive. The wide wheelbase and balanced weight distribution keep the tractor planted firmly on the ground, even when carrying heavy loads. Power steering ensures easy maneuverability despite the tractor's size, making tight turns at the end of rows less tiring. Braking performance is strong and reliable, giving the operator confidence when working on slopes or transporting loads across the farm. Noise and vibration levels have also been improved compared to older models, which means less fatigue during extended use. Now let's talk about pricing, because that's a major factor for any farmer or agricultural business. Heavy-duty agricultural tractors are a serious investment, and prices usually reflect their capabilities. Depending on horsepower, configuration, and optional features, the price of a new heavy-duty tractor typically starts from a mid-range level and goes up significantly for fully equipped models. Basic versions are ideal for farmers who want raw power and reliability, while higher-end trims offer advanced hydraulics, smarter control systems, and premium comfort features. Although the upfront cost may seem high, these tractors are built to last for years, often decades, making them a long-term investment rather than a short-term expense. Lower maintenance needs, strong resale value, and improved fuel efficiency help balance the initial price over time. What really makes this new heavy-duty agricultural tractor stand out is how it blends traditional strength with modern engineering. It's not just about pulling power anymore, it's about efficiency, reliability, and making the operator's job easier. For large farms, commercial agriculture, and contractors who depend on machines that never quit, this tractor delivers where it matters most. So if you're looking for a machine that can handle the toughest jobs, work long hours without complaint, and provide real value over the years, this heavy-duty agricultural tractor is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching and if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful machine reviews coming your way.